Hi, I'm so sorry to bother you. I'm having a bit of a rough day. Would you mind playing pass with me for a little bit? It's okay if not, no pressure. Okay, thank you.
Hey everyone, Alec here at D-Herbs. Today I'm gonna go to a local park and ask strangers if they'd play catch with me. If they say yes, I'm gonna give them $100. Let's get to it.
Hi, I'm sorry to bother you. Would any of you guys be interested in playing catch with me for a little bit?
Sorry. No.
Sure? Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it. All right, my name's Alec, by the way. Nice to meet you, Chelsea. So, Chelsea, I want to let you know something. We're filming a show right now for D-Herbs. And I'm going up and asking strangers if they'll take the time to play pass with me. And if they do it, I'm actually going to reward them by giving them $100.
Oh my God.
Yep.
Are you joking?
I'm not joking at all.
Holy
Here is
shit.
$100.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Like when I asked to play catch, why did you decide to play with me?
Like, oh, this poor guy just wants to play catch. Thank you, dear.